Boy, this is one heavy generator. So what we did was that we picked up the generator from Costco. We picked up Firman tri-fuel generator because I didn't want to mess with gasoline, because gasoline gets stale and gums up the carburetor. We have another generator that's just gasoline, and that's exactly what happened. And I decided to assemble it while it's on the trailer so that we could put the wheels on, and this way we could roll it off of the trailer instead of trying to carry it off the trailer and assembling it in the garage. The reason why we picked up this generator is because A, it was on sale at Costco, and B, with all this climate changes that's going on, we're going to have more severe weather conditions coming up. And I think that the generator is going to become more and more useful as time goes on. In the past, we had very little use for generator. In fact, I only used it a few times since I've been here for the last 15 years. But I can see what's happening, and it's a wise investment to pick up a generator, and that's exactly what we did. Wheel washer. Okay. There we go. Oh, there it is. So we're just going to move this on the other side. Okay, so I just stand it down. Okay. So these will be the instruction sheets for electric start, natural gas, and regular gasoline. So instructions how to start it. They also give you instructions up here. Fuel gauge, 8-gallon tank or 3 liters. Gas goes in, natural gas or propane. And you can see it's 9,400 watts, 7,500 running routes on gasoline. Propane, so propane is less efficient than gasoline, and natural gas is the least efficient. This is how you select your gasoline or natural gas or propane. Your battery operator switch, so we have to hook up the battery. It comes not hooked up yet, so you got to hook up the ground. And then this one here counts the hours, amps, and all that, voltage. This turns on the power to your outlets here, so breaker. And this is shut off too, so pretty straightforward. Handle comes already pre-attached, so you got the wheels, battery, feet. Only 3 things to hook it up. We're not going to use gasoline at all, so it's going to be empty. We're just going to use natural gas. It's a bigger unit, so handle more circuits at one time, and also once we hook it into our electrical panel, it can probably run our whole house. And if we put a soft start on the outdoor air conditioning system, we probably even run AC during the summer months. So in my next video, I'm going to show you how we hooked up this generator into our natural gas line, and possibly a third generator once I get an electrician in. We'll show you how we're going to hook this up directly into our electrical panel so we don't have to run extension cords throughout the house. Well, I hope you found this video informative. Please click the like button. When you have a chance, please subscribe. And thank you for watching.